Yeah, we'll be after creating SAP Lsmw here. We'll see how it works out. Go to the SAP Easy Transaction, type the transaction Lsmw, press enter, and just you remove that one, and you can just give it Lsmw something as 14, and this has vendor, and this has object, and just click create, description as description, vendor as vendor, or whatever name you feel comfortable, you can give that. Object as object. Go to you can just execute it. So you are in the first transaction. Now we are doing the batch input recording. You can give here any name. Go to recording overview, create recording. You can give this name as this, creating for transaction MK01. Click enter. Now this is the transaction code which you are giving here, MK01, to create a vendor here. Click next. Now you can give some name, whatever name is there, you can give some name here. 0001 purchase organization and account group 0001. Now this is this mandatory field here. Name, I give some name as Obadur Rahman, and OBA here, and country is IN for India, and language is EN for English. Press enter. Now this is the second screen. In this screen you have no mandatory field. Press enter. Now you are in the third screen. This is one mandatory field. Order currency is INR, Indian rupees. Again press enter. Now you can just save the data. Save it here. Click default all. Now all these 8 fields are here. Now you can simply save. Go back, and just save this also. Again back. Now first transaction is over. Second transaction, source structure, create source structure. Just say source, creating some message you can type, okay, but I have typed this one. Okay, now this is created. Again source created. Click hit source and back. Third step, source. Now do one thing. You have to you can enter it from the keyboard, or you can copy it from the text file. I have created a text file which has this 8 fields here. Okay, I will ask the system to copy it from the text file. For that you have to click here, copy fields. Okay, just click continue. It is asking the copy the fields. This actual data fields which I have given the name. Click here. Now this 8 fields has been copied here. You can just see these are the 8 fields are the same fields of here. Okay, now you can just save it. Go back and click execute. Fourth step is being done now. Simply save it. Back. Fifth step is being done. In fifth step you have to do data mapping. For that you have to click extras, auto field mapping, and you have to click here enter. Now in this field you have to, since you have entered 8 data fields here, you have to click here access proposal 8 times, and each time you click you can see a change here which is being mapped. First is over. Second field, third, fourth, 5, 6, next, go back. 60 steps is not necessary, is not required, it's not mandatory. You can go straight away to step number 7. Now this is the legacy data, is asking to feed the legacy data from there. For that also I have already created a text file which holds this data. It has 8 fields and 4 records. Okay, 8 fields and 4 records of data is here, and I think this is 4 records are not necessary. We will remove this one. Okay, and just we will do some changing here. We will give some 2. Okay, now we will save this file as save it. Now just double click on the legacy data R3 server. Now give the exact full location of it. Run actual data dot txt. Okay, and name is whatever name you can use. Actual data from C5. Okay, and this is the tabulator. You have to click. This is the most important. If you don't click this, you may not get the right feeding here. For that, you have to see here the actual data. For example, if you put the cursor here and you press the tab key, it goes here. Okay, so this is the tab distance which you have to maintain. For this, put the cursor here, press enter. See, this is a very small distance and this is a large distance. Okay, so this you have to understand it and you have to feed accordingly, otherwise the data will not be read properly. Click continue. The actual data is entered here. Okay, now you can just and go back and maintain step number 8. Do nothing here, just go back. Step number 9, import, execute here, again go back. Step number 10, display imported data, continue, for display here, just back, convert data here, execute here, again go back, 12, display converted data, continue here. Okay, go back. 13th step, create batch input session. Okay, execute here, one batch input folder with 3 transactions created. Okay, now this is the last and final step. Execute this step, and this is the object which you have to select this object and press process. Okay, process. See, now you just see here what is happening here. This 211 is taken automatically from this file. This 621, sorry, 621. There's a 0001, 0001, and the respective fields will be taken in our next screen when we go here. Say enter. Okay, say enter. This first record is being entered. Say save it. Okay, now we are going to second record. Second record is again here. See, 622, 001, 001, and this on so on. Okay. Click enter, again enter, continue, save it. Okay, again continue. Okay, you can just save it. Okay, batch processing completed for 3 records. Session overview. Okay, now this record has been given input to transaction MK01, and this transaction has been completed, and now these 3 vendors has been created. Now if you want to see the 3 vendors, you can go to SE60 in the data browser. This MK01 transaction vendor creation is being stored in LFA1 table. and now you can just see this LSM1 table. Now you can give here 620 to 630. You see the created, just see it has been created 621, 622, 626. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you want to see, you can just open it and see here 621, 622, 626. Okay, thank you for seeing LSMW. Thank you, see you again.